I'm with a Bible and I'm sitting down in church praying, hoping that God could hear all the things I'm saying. Cause most of my problems is biblical. Watch a nigga preach connecting, yes nigga I'm spiritual. Switch it up, then we hit the club. Not the loudest in the room, but I ain't no.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, hey, my name is Shonda and I'm a YouTuber based in Canada. Let's get right into the video. So, okay, guys, I just woke up. Please forgive. Okay, not just woke up. I woke up at like 30 minutes ago. Please forgive my confusion, but I've been off for some time. Yeah, I think for like 2 months or so. And I'm sorry guys, but I'm sorry. It's just been so cool. School, work, home. It's not really been all that cute. But yeah, I'm back now. I'm going to try my level best. Okay, no, I'll talk about this in my what do you call those vlogs when someone comes back after them? Recap, not recap. What is it called? I know the name, but I've just forgotten. But yes, I'm doing a video like that. Like I'm back, and then I'll tell you guys a few stories about what the cutting at. Oh, yo! I won't go in detail. Those are for story times. So in the future, yeah. But like for now, I'll just tell you guys. I'll brief you a bit. But let me just say, senior level is not hard. If you're in grade 8 or grade 9, study. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, study. Senior level is not your friend. You have to study day and night. Focus on school. Don't get distracted. For this term, it showed me bums. No. School is not for the weak, but yeah, I'm a senior. It's cute being a senior, but it comes with a lot of pressure, especially if you are in grade 10. Let me specify 10B. To my 10Bs, that question, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys. So basically, today is Wednesday. Yeah, I came from school on Friday last week. I think it was the 26th, the 27th. I haven't been vlogging because there's nothing really to vlog, and then but like on Sunday I went for my uncle's birthday lunch at the restaurant that my uncle said. But then like I was just not in the mood to vlog, like anyways, yes guys, I was just not in the mood to vlog. But today being Wednesday and getting my hair done, and the hair that I'm doing for the first time. I'm doing a 24-inch bone straight wig, and I'm so excited, you guys. Yeah, I'm doing an install. I'm supposed to be there by 8, and the time right now is 7:55. Am I serious? I haven't even back, but I woke up at 7. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Yo. Okay, let me get ready quickly and dress up, and then I talk to my mom, and then I'll get back to you guys. I think the latest I can do is like 8:30. But yeah, guys, toodles. Yeah, anyways, hey guys, I'm back. I'm looking cute. I'm wearing a crop top. Yeah, with it. Oh, let me try and show you the back. But like, yeah, an open back crop top with these pants. They're just comfortable pants. Because like, we're going to bounce. Let me show you. Yeah? Okay. Because like, we're going to bounce. So I need to be wearing something that's comfortable and stuff like that. But yeah. The place I'm supposed to be doing my hair is just pissing me off at this point, because I was supposed to, like, okay, right now it's 9 something. Yeah, I haven't gone yet because I'm waiting on my mom for something. But literally, the time I was talking to you guys was like 7:55, and then she, okay, let me put the thing. And then she, what do you call this? She told me, she's like, I was bathing, and then my sister was like, the lady that's supposed to do your hair said that she should come at 9. I'm like, number one, I'm bathing cold water. Okay, I'm used to bathing cold water because of school, but still, like, number one, I'm bathing cold water because I wanted to rush the process. My friend is texting me. Anyways, yes, because I wanted to rush the process. Now, I'm coming out. She's telling me 9, and then I don't even know if what I'm saying is making sense. Let me start again. Yes, she said I should come at 9 this time. But then she already back to what I'm supposed, because I would have just waited for hot water if I knew. And she just told me last minute. I'm like, shut up. And then now she's sending messages. She's like, wait. I'm like, yo. But anyway, I'm just about to eat noodles. I don't know if these guys make noodles for breakfast, but I'm just about to eat noodles. And then I'm going to see how things are going to go. Otherwise, I'm supposed to be out with my friend by 13. Yeah, I'm just praying I get my hair done today, because like I'm waiting with my mom. But yeah, guys, let me keep on my bracelet. Can it focus, please, for my hand? Okay. Yeah, get the gist. So like, if you want to get cute bracelets from me and be like this. Oh, this one is like a cross. Yeah, then you should order from me and stuff. Yeah, guys. So I think I'll talk to you when something nice is actually happening, because right now things are not cute at all. Like, they are not cute at all. And I'm filming in portrait video. I don't know if it's cuter, because I like how it just focuses on me alone. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So, don't mind my hair, how it's looking, guys. I'm here to tell you about like, I'm just so upset. Kind of upset. A bit. I don't know if this makes things any better, but anyways. Yes, so, you know how I'm supposed to do my wig. Things have kind of backfired for today. I don't know if I'm going to end up doing it, but there's no power. Okay, at my grandparents' place, they have an inverter. So like, yeah, they have that. So like, power here, we don't get affected. Only like the stove and stuff like that. And in the market, it's already gone. So like, doing my install. But anyway, I'm supposed to blow my hair. Then I'm going to see what I can do. My hair has grown. The fact that I had my braids in for like 3 months, it has really grown. But I don't have issues with it. I just don't know what's going, how this is gonna work. I'm not happy. I'm just doing some fun. The fun that makes me happy. But anyways, yeah. So when I meet up with my friends, I'm in a better mood. As for now, I think you guys can even tell. I think you can even tell that, like, I'm really not in the best mood. But yeah. Anyways, I'll speak to you later. Maybe after I'll speak to you guys later after I like do my hair and stuff like that. Toodles. Okay, no, let me just be big. My hair has grown, you guys. This is a very big improvement. My hair, it's a very big improvement. This, but like, I don't know how I feel about this, honestly speaking, because first of all, okay, anyways, yeah, say like my hair, I don't know. I really don't know. But to me, it's giving big. Oh no, like oh no. She is sad, and I'm going to be jumping, you guys. It will just be a freaking mess. But I'm living the growth, but I'm wondering. But
Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just, yeah. Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me, mom. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no, they walk up. Man, no, be God up. Make them they talk up. I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, live it. Yeah, go say Casala when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got the money console. This one I got you with the jabata. Me I no get time I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man with
guys, so I just got to Agra village. So I didn't even explain to you guys, but basically since there's no one in the bathroom, let me just explain. Yeah. Okay, so basically I did my hair this morning. I think I mentioned in my video that I didn't get to do my hair yesterday, which was Wednesday, and today is Thursday. So I did my hair this morning. The lace wasn't correct to my skin tone, but I managed to fix it. So it's not that bad, but it's okay. Yeah, and then so I'm basically here for a food market with my friends. Yeah, it's a food market that happens I think every Thursday. Food market, yeah. So I'm just in the bathroom right now. I arrived. I just texted my friend that I'm here because she was not answering. And yeah guys, I'm just about to use the bathroom, comb my wig up a bit, see what she says, and then I'm going to head out. But yeah, I didn't even show you guys the feet. Let me try and show you the feet. It's this crop top. I didn't really want to wear this jacket, but I don't really do it. Crop top with these jeans. Yeah, that's basically what I'm wearing. My sunglasses that I got from MFD, my final detail period. And yeah guys, so I'll catch you all later. No worries. So guys, I just came out of the bathroom because I don't like this light. Okay, anyways, I just came out of the bathroom because my friend called me and she said that she's here. So I'm just waiting for her. Yeah, I'm so excited because I haven't seen her in a very long time. Like it's been a while coming. Yeah, it's been a while. So I'm just waiting on her. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, this is my big sister. And then my other sis is coming. Yeah. Will be a few of us. I don't know if I introduce everyone to the vlog, but I know I will to Lumba because Lumba has been on a number of videos. Okay, she's even calling me. Yeah, guys, this is Lumba. Anyways, guys, so like we just came to eat from here. There's literally no, and we both have social anxiety. So like, yeah, my camera eats first before. Which I yeah.
I don't know where the journey will end, know where to start. They say that I'm too young to understand.
Guessing that I'm vlogging because I'm like, I'm trying to live in the moment. Hold
One of our biggest fans. Period. Chiligua. We've eaten, we're full, we're satisfied. We're gonna sleep properly. Like me. Aye. This is Asher. This is my vlog. Hi. Guys, this lighting just bad. Should I wait to do this tomorrow? I can't even manage to color correct this because what the hell is going on with the light? Hold up. Okay, this is kind of better. So I had an amazing night with my friends Chisengo, Asha, Lumba, and I've just forgotten her name. I know it's Taminda, I don't know. But like she's not going to feature in the vlog because like we were not together the whole time. But she's such a sweet girl. If you see this girl, mwah, big ups to you, and she's so cute. But yeah. So now, like, I actually met my uncle, like my dad's friend, before my dad came pick me up. But like, yeah, my dad has met up with them, and like he came to pick me. So now I'm in the car. I said bye to my friends and all of that stuff, and I've got so much footage for you, like. But I'll talk to you properly tomorrow when I go to like my grandma's place because I'm going to sleep home today. Then I'll go back to my grandma's place tomorrow because tomorrow I've got tuition. Like I have to start grinding on schoolwork because I have to push for them too. But yeah, guys, I know the lighting is not the best, but like bear with me. But yeah, so I think I'll continue this vlog tomorrow if the footage is not too much. But yeah, guys, bye, good night.